Welcome back to Old Studio Car, the channel where we dive deep into the timeless classics and the legends that shaped automotive history. Today, we're taking a close look at the icon that started a revolution, the 1964 Ford Mustang. The very first pony car. The machine that made American muscle stylish, affordable, and accessible to everyone. In this episode, we'll explore its design updates, exterior details, performance, top speed, driving experience, fuel average, and how it stacks up in value today. Let's get into it. The 1964 Ford Mustang wasn't just another car. It was a cultural phenomenon from the moment it rolled off the assembly line. Ford introduced it at the New York World's Fair in April 1964, and it instantly stole the spotlight. With its long hood, short rear deck, and aggressive stance, the Mustang offered something new, a blend of sportiness and everyday practicality. It wasn't designed just for the racetrack, it was built for everyone who wanted to feel like a racer on the open road. Now, looking at the exterior, the 1964 Mustang still holds up beautifully today. Even compared to modern resto mods or replicas, the original styling is pure, simple, and powerful. The chrome detailing around the grille and headlights gives it that classic shine. The iconic running horse emblem remains one of the most recognized automotive symbols in the world. The front grille sits wide and low, framed by round headlamps that perfectly capture that early 60s American charm. The body lines are smooth but defined, elegant, yet muscular. The coupe version, with its hardtop design, is timeless, but the convertible version still turns heads everywhere it goes. If you look closely at some of the new restoration projects and updated versions of the 1964 Mustang, you'll see how modern builders subtly integrate LED headlights, updated chrome bumpers, and even new alloys while keeping the original body lines untouched. It's a respectful blend of old-school craftsmanship with a few touches of modern automotive technology. The result is a Mustang that stays loyal to its roots but feels fresh and ready for today's roads. Under the hood, the 1964 Mustang offered several engine options, from the modest 2.8-liter straight-six to the more thrilling 4.7-liter V8. The V8, known as the 289 cubic inch engine, was the real star. With around 210 horsepower in the early versions, it gave the car a thrilling punch for its time. That V8 rumble is something no electric or hybrid car will ever truly replace. It's raw, mechanical, and emotional. When you start it, you don't just hear the engine, you feel it through your chest. Performance-wise, the original V8 Mustang could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 8 seconds, which was impressive for the mid-60s. The top speed hovered around 120 miles per hour, depending on the configuration. The steering was light but responsive enough for spirited driving, and the rear-wheel drive layout made it easy to slide around corners if you wanted to have a bit of fun. It wasn't about pure speed, it was about experience, about the freedom it represented. In terms of fuel economy, let's be honest, efficiency wasn't the Mustang's strongest suit. The 6-cylinder versions could give you around 18 to 20 miles per gallon, while the V8 dropped closer to 14 or 15. But for most enthusiasts, the fuel economy is just a side note. The joy of hearing that exhaust note, feeling the vibration of the engine, and the connection between man and machine more than make up for a few extra gallons of gas. Today, the price of a well-maintained or restored 1964 Mustang varies greatly depending on the model and condition. A standard 6-cylinder coupe might start around $25,000 to $30,000, while a fully restored V8 fastback or convertible can reach anywhere between $60,000 and $100,000. Limited editions, original condition survivors, and Shelby modified versions can even go well beyond that, entering serious collector territory. But the truth is, owning a 1964 Mustang isn't about investment, it's about owning a piece of history. Driving one today is like stepping back in time. You can feel the simplicity of design, the mechanical purity, and the unfiltered joy of a car that doesn't rely on computers or drive modes. It's all driver, all emotion. The 1964 Ford Mustang wasn't just the first pony car, it was a symbol of independence, style, and the American dream on 4 wheels. Whether you're a collector, a restorer, or simply a car enthusiast, this car will always hold a special place in automotive culture. Thanks for watching Old Studio Car. If you enjoyed this deep look at the 1964 Ford Mustang, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next feature on another timeless machine that changed the world of cars forever.